Hey kids, this is the before video, before we're about to have our blizzard. The ice is moving in tonight, so here you go. Here's what it looks like now. Alright, the freezing rain has begun. And it's already getting slippery, and 5 minutes ago this was not here. Fuck yeah, blizzard. It's snowing a little bit harder to where from my window it's hard to see across the parking lot. And things are kind of covered now. So here you go. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this?
What the fuck do you want?
It's snowing sideways!
Pretty much, yeah.
I'm recording every hour.
I really wish that I had taken the initiative of ordering my goggles at Gentleman's Emporium last week instead of on Sunday.
We'll just wear Ray-Bans and feel really classy.
I refused. I'll wear Kanye's.
Those won't help.
And then they'll just be ineffective and they'll be great.
Alright, snowing a bit harder now. Really still not that cold, but Jess, Noah, Nick, and I are going on a photo adventure because there's already about an inch and a half. So, yikes, the wind. Sorry, bye. Alright, let's start this. There's definitely like 3 inches of snow by this point, and because of the ice I can kind of walk on top of it, and I feel kind of like an elf. I might be Legolas. There's a lot of flowing snow by this point. These are snowdrifts. They're probably at least 2 feet high by now. See a little cave in there? The door won't close all the way because there's so much snow blocking it. You might be able to see out there. It's spraying some snow.
Well, I just mean like in Google.
Oh, in Google?
Everybody say hi.
I'll just be like,
Hi.
This door won't even close. Alright, look outside. It's really cold and miserable. Alright, bye. Alright, we are in the kitchen. I'm not sure if you can quite see that. You can see where it drops down, but that's a 2-foot snowdrift, if not larger. You can kind of see it there against the window. Look at the snow! We got 1.5 feet. This is a 6-foot snowdrift, FYI. Yeah, this is up to my thighs. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there are some kids out there trying to build a tunnel. Let's zoom in. I'm hiding behind a plant so they don't see me. Dun, dun, dun. Ah, look at him go. He's building that tunnel. Yeah, build it. Dude, I can barely even see him anymore. Hope that doesn't cave in and kill him. That would suck. What's this? I think we've found our tunnel. I don't know how to get up this. Another tunnel. I'm crying. This isn't working.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you?
It's like human centipede.
Oh wait, not in any way like human centipede.
Oh, I'm so cold.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you? Get up. Hey, we have to go all the way around to the front to get in.
Fuck.